First time mong pumunta ng Bangkok, Thailand at nag-iisip ka kung anong gagawin, bestie, save this video. Hello friends and hello besties and welcome to another episode of Hashtag Josh Aragon Recommends. Ito lang yan sa aking mga social media accounts at make sure naka-follow kayo. In this video, isi-share ko sa inyo ang 5 things to do before flying to Bangkok, Thailand. So make sure besties, isusulat mo to and tatandaan mo to. So without further ado, let's start! Una na dyan, prepare all your travel documents needed like passport, round-trip tickets, hotel accommodation, and additional documents like COE for employed and DTI or SEC permits for business owners. Take note mga bestie that Thailand is a visa-free for Filipino travelers for 60 days. Second, you need to fill out the e-travel declaration and TDAC for Thailand. Yes mga bestie, you need to fill out the e-travel declaration and TDAC or Thailand Digital Arrival Card up to 72 hours prior your flight bestie. Dapat bago pa lang umalis ng bahay ninyo papuntang airport naka-ready na yan to avoid any hassles in the airport. And take note mga bestie, madali lang silang fill upan and also free of charge siya. Wala kayong babayaran basta nasa tamang website lang kayo. Ito yung mga website for your reference. Third is to pay your travel tax online para sa less hassle na experience upon arrival sa airport and also diretso ka na sa check-in counters and ito yung website kung saan kayo magbabayad. Take note lang mga bestie, meron silang additional charge na 50 pesos when you pay through online. Fourth mga besties, you need to download all these travel apps. Ito yung marirecommend ko sa inyo before going to Bangkok, Thailand. Dapat naka-download na to. First, Google Maps for easy navigation. Second, Bolt for cheaper taxi options. And lastly, GrabFood for food deliveries. And lastly, make sure to ready your debit or credit cards before traveling to Bangkok, Thailand. If you want to withdraw or use your debit cards abroad, make sure to inform or have a travel advisory beforehand to your specific banks. For me, here's my personal Rico. If gusto mo mag-withdraw ng Thai baht in Bangkok, Thailand by using the GoTime card kasi low foreign exchange siya. And for credit cards naman, trusted ko talaga si RCBC credit card. So that's it for the things you need to do before flying to Bangkok, Thailand. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. If yes, make sure to follow me